We know the oil prices are ridiculous. Okay, so I keep receipts from everything, and I still have some more over here. When I get my car fixed, I literally keep the receipts, and I like to stay with a certain person. If I change, I start over with a new mechanic. Everything they touch, do, or anything on my car, save your receipts. This is a video. I'm going to do multiple videos about car maintenance, and the best place to go to save your coins, because I was getting railroaded and didn't even know it. So save your receipts, because a lot of times later on, now I was with this person for a little while, and then this is just a story. Then years later, I'm coming back to get some stuff done, right? And so they're like, oh, this is what needs to be fixed. And I'm like, I remember that being fixed before. It needs to be repaired again in the same spot. And this is somebody I trusted. So I went back through my trusty receipts and found the receipt of that same thing being fixed. Now, if I didn't keep my receipt, what do you think would have happened? Talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back. Keep your receipts. Put them in a file cabinet. Later, Gators.